everyone, let's unbox this style by the Ellen Wille Stimulate collection called Camilla Deluxe, which is a high heat wig in pearl blonde rooted. Love pearl blonde rooted. I know that much. I have not I have not peeked, I have not looked, so I will be as surprised as you are. I don't even remember what the picture is, what this model actually looks like. So this is completely new to me. No idea what to expect. So it looks like a medium length. And let's look at the cap construction. The cap construction looks good. We have a mono top. We have an extended lace front, and we have a mainly hand-tied cap. Amazing. And it is a mid-length wavy style. These heat-friendly fibers, they feel really nice. Really lovely. Quite like this wave pattern. Right, let's pop her on. It has a little bit of a fringe. Let's pop her on. So let me just shake her a little bit. Straight out of the box, this fits nicely. This is cute. This is a really cute piece. So let me just get 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where the hairline should sit. Yeah. So I don't want to play with it too much because I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. This is really cute. Show it from you from all sides. It's a really cute piece. Look at the lace front. Always Ellen Wille lace fronts are just impeccable. They're just so natural. Let me show you the mono top. Really well done. You can see my wig grip underneath it. So it does give you a really natural parting space. So you then have to decide if you want to wear a wig cap underneath it, so it's all flesh colored, or if you don't mind it so much. I don't normally mind it so much that this gets seen because I'm quite tall. So it's unlikely that many people will be able to see from the top. But this is adorable. This is really cute. I really like this one. No permatease that I can feel. Let's see. Tuck it. Yeah, can tuck it easily. These are heat-friendly fibers, so if you don't like this wave pattern, or you just get a bit bored of it, or you just want to change it, you can add heat and change the wave pattern, curl pattern to what you want it to look like. So I think this is absolutely adorable. Tell me what you think of Camilla by Ellen Wille in Pearl Blonde Rooted.